Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fill Word page with image photo. Open your Word document. Then from the Insert menu, click on Pictures and select this device. Choose your image and click on Insert. After that, we will right-click on the image and from the option Wrap Text, we will select Behind Text. Finally, we can adjust the image on the entire page of the document using its corners. If you need to, you can write on the sheet. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.